So, good eye, mates. We are Group 4. So, today for our topic of language varieties in social media, our chosen content creator slash social media influencer is Bogart the Explorer. Hence the Aussie accent ko kanina at the beginning. Okay. So, moving on, I'm Jujel Arcane Serrano.
I'm Nico Lorenzo V. Alvarez.
I am Joby Cabo-chan.
I'm Tio Maximus Oidi.
And I'm Tyler Fontanilla.
Okay, so Marco Antonio Ho, or more typically known as Bogart the Explorer, is a Filipino internet personality and content creator known for his usual humorous documentary style videos that like parody the wildlife exploration shows we see, diba? So another is that Bogart gained popularity for his somehow exaggerated Australian accent and his comedic approach to being able to showcase the Filipino culture, the urban life, and unique local experiences. So his videos often like feature entertaining encounters with people, animals, and various aspects of the Filipino society. So this resulted in him like being a well-loved figure in the local entertainment scene. Okay, so how content or like basically how does the speaker tailor their language to align with their intentions and meet the expectations of the target audience?
Okay, so Bogart the Explorer tailors his language to align with his comedic intentions and meet the audience expectations through language exaggeration and cultural relatability.
Okay, so exactly, diba? He like adapts the over the top Australian accent, also mimicking like the famous wildlife documentary narrators, like for example, diba si Steve Irwin, and he also applies it to like somehow everyday Filipino scenarios.
That's right. So, talking about everyday Filipino scenarios, for culture relatability naman, his contents usually revolve around yung mga everyday Filipino life, mga everyday Filipino culture, or Filipino culture pala, making it deeply relatable to the Philippine local or the local audience. Therefore, he is considered as one of the most well-loved figures in the Philippines or in the industry of TikTok. And additionally, not only in the Philippines, but also the culture of other countries such as Australia, since it is notable naman na he can speak their accent, which is the Aussie accent, fluently.
Okay, so like, di ba parang ang main gist niya nga yung parang very expressive somehow Australian accent niya. Okay, so now let's move on to the video examples we found by scouring TikTok or the internet.
The Philippine ice pick, and you're the ice. The ice pick is a wonderful weapon system with versatile tactical applications. It comes with an advanced tetanus delivery warhead and unlimited ammunition with 3 different firing modes: semi-automatic, 3-round burst.
Okay, so in this video, obviously Bogart is imitating the Russian accent, and this can be actually connected with phonology. In phonology, the sounds of a language are shaped by the rules and patterns specific to that language or accent. So when Bogart imitates the Russian accent, he exaggerates how Russian speakers might pronounce these English words. So, for example, when it says in the video automatic, the vowels are pronounced more boldly with no reduction of unstressed syllables, which actually might sound overpronounced to an English speaker and adds to the humor of the video. And now for the next video.
Okay, next video.
1/2 of 60 is 30. Magkano po order? 60. Kalate, 40.
Okay, so as shown sa video, Bogart is showcasing the difference between English in an American accent and English with the Filipino accent. So the dialectal feature visible in the video naman is phonology. So this was visible with the example he used using the words 60, 30, and 40, where sa English language or the English with a Filipino accent has a harder sounding T, which then turns into 60, 30, 40. So now you may question why is this the case, diba? So actually, there could be multiple reasons why this is the case. So, pero one good main reason is because of the fact that majority of the Filipinos have English as their second language.
Okay, so quick disclaimer before we start the video kasi may medyo obscene scenes and may bad words din.
Here in Australia, pickup trucks like this one are commonly called utes. That's short for utility vehicles. But with the advent of more powerful electric motors, pretty soon we'll be seeing ourselves more electric utes or e-ute. For a better picture, mag-iyot lang tatanan. Iyot lang ng iyot. I'm going to the beach tomorrow and I'm going to wear an Australian flag thong. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's gross. This is what I meant. A thong in Australia is. And the best thing about these Australian flag thongs.
So sa video na to, Bogart demonstrates lexicons. So Bogart plays with words that have different words in English but the same meaning, such as ute for utility vehicle, ute for electrical utility vehicle, and tongs for slippers. These examples highlight how different English words can refer to the same object depending on context or regional preferences. So he showed how like Australians naturally use slangs in everyday conversation. By incorporating these terms, Bogart's video showcased the unique and informal way Aussies communicate, reflecting their regional linguistic style and making it easier for others to understand and appreciate these expressions in context.
Institution. Talbids. Bottled water. Mineral. Police vehicle. Mobile. Being ahead. Kibugan. Summary.
Okay, in this Bogart the Explorer video, the comedic effect comes from his exaggeration of Filipino, making it both entertaining and linguistically playful. Another interesting aspect is that this video can be connected with semantics. For example, when Bogart says bottled water is mineral or police vehicle is mobile. It shows semantics because these terms reveal how meanings can vary between cultures and languages. Furthermore, this video also shows phonology because Bogart exaggerates distinct Filipino English sound patterns rather, such as substituting V with B. For example, advanced instead of advanced.
Kibugan. Ay, paano sabihin sa Pilipino ang I guess I forgot something? Look. Paano naman ang this is new? Oh, you're in trouble now. Oh, that person's in trouble. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. Oh, he's mistaken. Repeating his bit.
Okay, so for this last video example of Bogart the Explorer naman, he is speaking Filipino and English, but in a Filipino accent. So, English, but with a Filipino accent. Wherein it is noticeable naman that his pronunciations of the letters F is P, TH is T or D, and words like better is pronounced as better, something as something, and expecting as expecting. These are examples of phonology since he is pronouncing the letter or words in a different way because of the difference in the accent, which is the Filipino accent.
Okay, so in summary, among the videos provided, the distinct language styles used by Bogart are the Aussie accent, the Russian accent, exaggerated Tagalog or Filipino slang, English with a Filipino accent.
Okay, for the dialectal features, on the other hand, Bogart uses phonology, lexicon, and semantics.
Okay, so that is all for our quick presentation. So thank you very much for listening, and everyone have a nice day.